In this video, we are going to implement the listing products. We are going to use the dummy data first for the featured products. Once we have implemented all the core functionalities, then we are going to focus on improving the app by adding sidebar and adding the featured products with a dynamic data, and lastly pagination. So let's continue. So in here, it's going to be a little bit different because instead of writing the whole HTML by myself, I want to copy section by section, small section, so that you can pause the video and copy it instead of following me writing it one by one. I feel like it is not efficient for me to write one by one because I made a lot of mistakes along the way. And as well as this course is not about HTML writing. I want to focus more on the core functionalities like writing the view app under the script, which is this part, and less on HTML itself. But I'm not going to copy the entire file and just throw it at you. I'll still going to copy section by section, and you can still pause the video and kind of understand what's going on. And I'm going to put a note above each of the components. So let's try it out. And it's going to be a listing product, so it will be div class main results, which will be a UL class as result list. Okay, and then in here will be li class as result item and cell widget, and I'm going to loop this li later on. And in this li, I'm going to do by copying section by section. So div first, I'm going to type div class as item container, and then here I'm going to copy this part and paste it in here. So this part is for the bestseller. You will see a tag that says bestseller on the left of the picture later on. And then in the container, you type div tag and then div class, give it a row. And then you want to type an image, which I'm going to copy again and paste it here. This is going to be the image product after the bestseller. And after we have done with the image, you want to type div class column small 9. And then here, you're going to type div class a row, a spacing small. And I'm gonna copy, this time will be a date of the product. So you can copy again, you can pause the video, you can copy. This will be the date of the product, and as well as the title, which will be hello or Harry Potter. Well, let's type up here title and date. And the next step is to copy the shipment, and the next step is author's name. Right below this div, it will be an author's name by J.K. Rowling. I'm just gonna change this to J.K. Rowling. You can pause the video and write it one by one. And next is shipment. This will be the component where it will say it ships to your any country. And then after this, you want to type a div class row, and here div class column small 7. And in here you want to type div class a row, a spacing to none, and in here a href, and then class a ling normal, and then a not normal, and then a text normal hardcover. This would be whether it is hardcover or Kindle and so on. And then it will be a price. This will be a little bit longer right below this hardcover. So it's gonna be right below this hardcover, and it's gonna be price. You can pause the video again, you can type it out one by one. And then there will be an audible trial right beneath price. And then there will be other formats. And then right below this div, there will be a rating class, which I'm gonna type because it's not that much. Cool SM5, and then div class a row, a spacing mini, and then here we're gonna leave a comment that says ratings will be added. I'm gonna copy this as well. Star ratings. Okay, let's save this. Okay, I hope that you guys like this format a little bit better than before. So let's go back to our Chrome and see the changes. And there we have it. We have the image, but let's add any image here. So let's go to our image, which will be this, and let's change this to image featured product. There we have it. We have the picture, but we want to make this picture a little bit smaller, so we can add a style here, which will be width 100 pixel. Let's play around with it first and see how it looks like. Okay, it looks better. I think this is way better. Let's increase the width to 200. Okay, I think I prefer 150. Okay, now it looks really nice. In the next video, we will add an Axios call where we're gonna call all the products